Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the back office of TextBot. This is Jeff Long, and in this short video, I'm just going to give you a walkthrough of your new TextBot back office, let you know what all of these different sections of your back office do and what they will do if they don't currently do it right now, because you're involved in our beta launch. As with everything that I do, I like to start the new launch in beta, which means you're helping us find and fix all the things that we can't find and fix until we have hundreds of people or thousands of people using and beating up the technology. So that's where we're at right now. We're in beta, but in beta, you actually have the ability to go earn $100 by selling Ava to others and helping put her to work for them in their business. So let's start right here on your dashboard. At the very top, you can see where it says connect others with Ava. This is where you're going to find your link and your phone number. So your phone number can be found if you just click on the phone icon, and you'll see the phone number that the system has assigned to you. If you have not been assigned a phone number yet for any reason, you'll see a message up here that'll give you instructions to go ahead and get your phone number. The most important thing before you get a phone number is to make sure that your usage balance over here is at least $10. You're going to need at least $10 in usage to get a phone number. A phone number is going to cost you $1 in usage, and $1 every single month will be deducted from your usage balance as you stay active. We've got your membership status. This shows your member ID. So if any moment support asks you what your member ID is, that's where you can find that. Your usage balance is right there. At any moment, you can click add usage. And let's go over there real quick and let's talk about this. So let me draw your attention here to our different packages, but I really want to highlight the fact that if you choose a monthly subscription option, and if you subscribe to our monthly package here, then you're going to get double the amount that you pay in dollars. You're going to get that in credits. So if you paid $10, you're going to get $20 in credits. If you pay $25, you're going to get $50 in credits. And if you pay $50, you're going to get $100 in credits. And again, this is if you're paying monthly. All members are encouraged to choose a monthly credit package. That way you get double the credits for the same amount of money, and all you have to do is agree to allow us to debit your card every single month for the amount that you choose, and we'll go ahead and give you double that amount in credits. It's unbelievable. So all members are encouraged to choose either of these packages. Definitely go monthly. If you're just here to try things out, we do have a one-time option, but it's not encouraged. But every single person will definitely get the most value from choosing one of our monthly options, and I don't think I need to continue to tell you why. If you have any additional questions about how our usage credits work, what you're charged, all of that good stuff, just check out our frequently asked questions section right here. Popping over to your dashboard, you can see your total sales and your unique hits. So let's focus in on our unique hits tracker here for a second. I do want to explain to you that I'll get to this as we go over the reseller section, but you do have the ability to create tracking links. So we will get to that, and this will show you the different results of those tracking links. So let's say, for example, you do an email blast. I created a tracking link here called email blast, and I had one hit with that tracking link. So this way you can track your individual marketing efforts. Scrolling down more on the dashboard, you can see your inviter's recommended business opportunity. We highly encourage you to press or click that button to check it out. This is the business opportunity that your inviter is recommending that you also check out, that you can make more money with and receive a lot more value from. You've got your recent signups and your recent opt-ins. Recent signups are members, people that have created an account and have joined your team. And recent opt-ins are simply people that have come through the tour, have called your phone number or texted your phone number, and have interacted with Ava. I want to draw your attention to the quick links section. If at any moment you need to get to something important, such as your profile, pending payments, or your marketing links, you can find all of those things right here. In the top right-hand corner of your screen, you'll see your profile photo, or you'll just see our placeholder image. Click on that and you will see my profile. So let's head on over to the profile and I'll walk you through this. So the first part of your profile is self-explanatory. This is your contact information, your username, your password, all this good stuff. Ensure that you choose your right country code and put in your mobile phone number and ensure that that is the correct mobile phone number for you. Click on Save Contact Info, and then let's head on over to payment methods. This is probably one of the most important aspects of your whole profile, because this is how you're going to tell Ava and the system to pay you. So you can get paid via PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Apple Cash, credit card, Bitcoin, or Zelle. So all you have to do is put in the different details for all the payment methods that you want to accept. PayPal, you're going to put in your PayPal email address. Cash App, you're going to put in your Cash App username. Venmo, your Venmo username. Google Pay usually is your Gmail email address. Apple Cash usually is your mobile phone number or the email address that you have registered with iMessages and iCloud. Credit card is a link that you want to use if you want to allow people to pay with a credit card. This would be a link that you get from a third-party source, and you can put it right in here, and we'll link them over to wherever you want them to pay with credit card. Bitcoin is your Bitcoin address, and Zelle is usually your email address registered with Zelle or your phone number. Hopping over here to primary business, for those of you that are using Ava to promote a primary network marketing company or an affiliate marketing company, and you want to leverage the interactions and the opt-ins that you're getting with Ava, and you want to build and promote and create multiple streams of income using TextBot, you can absolutely do that. Just go ahead and enter the URL of your primary business right there in that field and click Save Primary Business Settings. You'll also want to upload a profile photo. Statistics really do show that if a person can see your face, they can see you, that they are much more likely to transact and do business with you. All right, let's head to pending payments. This is where you're going to see all of the payments of members that are coming in and completing the setup process. So when they come in and they complete step 2 of the setup process, a record will be created for them here. It'll tell you how they paid, what they're paying for, how much they sent, when they sent it, and you can go ahead and mark it received or not received. You also have their email address and their phone number. So once you've received this payment, just simply click or press on the received button. If you did not receive this payment for any reason, click on the not received button. You can export these to a CSV file, an Excel file, or you can simply click here to create a printable table that is easy to print. So pay attention to your pending payments. You will also see a message on your dashboard that lets you know when you have a pending payment, and you'll get an email to also let you know when you have a pending payment. So the next section here is very, very important. This is where you're going to set up Ava. If you click on Set Up Ava and then press on Custom Keywords, this is where you're going to put in all the custom keywords that you want to create for Ava. I have a whole video that I've created that talks about how to use custom keywords and how to leverage them to their maximum capabilities. So I would encourage you to check out that video, and we're going to go ahead and move on from here. The next thing that you need to do is set your settings. And for right now, these are just 2 simple things. So you have your primary business link, which you also put in your profile. This is the same URL that you're going to put in your profile. And if you put it in your profile, you'll see it here as well. Then the second thing is your 24-hour opt-in text message. Okay, so how this works is 24 hours after someone interacts with Ava, either by coming into our interactive tour or by calling your phone number or texting your phone number, no matter how they choose to interact with Ava, 24 hours after they do, they are going to receive whatever you put into this text message box. Because every person that Ava interacts with on your behalf, 24 hours after they do, they're going to get this message automatically. So what do you want them to see? What do you want them to go to? What website do you want them to visit? Whatever you want them to do, whatever action you want them to take, or if you simply just want to give them a message of thanks, you can do that as well. Heading on over to our leads section, there are 2 different views for leads. So you could view it in card view like this, or grid view, or you could view it in list view. So you can press here or click here to view it in list view, and this will show you a cleaner list of all of your leads. So let's go back to our grid view, and you can press or click on anyone's name to view more details about that contact. So you have your contact details, you've got their name, and a couple of different labels or badges for them. So this person is a hot prospect because they've indicated that they have $100 and they're ready to join. They did not yet join, so we don't have an email address for them. We have their phone number, the date they joined, and then the name of the text bot that they opted into. So once you become an Ava Plus member and you have the ability to create unlimited custom text bots, it's important for you to know which lead is coming into which text bot. And then right here, you've got Ava's log for this contact. So this will show you every single time Ava performs an action on your behalf, she'll log it. and then she'll give you access to that log. So you can see a message was received by this contact saying this is the message. And by the way, if you see a message here that's a little bit longer, you can roll over it and it'll show you the whole message. You can see here updated contact field, permission granted with value. So it'll literally show you everything that Ava does on your behalf. And then right here, it'll show you the custom keywords that this contact triggered. So if you create any custom keywords over here and they triggered any of those keywords, they will show up right here. Now let's head on over to our live chat system. You can either get there by pressing on the icon button here in the contact details section, or pressing or clicking on the chat icon here in the navigation menu. As you can see, you've got all of your active chats here on the left-hand side. This functions as any other live chat system will function. You just simply press on the conversation. It will load here into the window. And one of the most important things that I want to draw your attention to is this toggle switch. Now, this toggle switch will allow you to turn Ava off and allow you to manually send messages to this lead. And the reason you want to turn Ava off is because if they're going to respond, which they probably will, then you don't want Ava trying to read their response and respond accordingly. You want to let Ava know that you're here, and so she can go take a break and, go smoke or whatever she does. I didn't create her to smoke, but hey, she can do whatever you want her to do on that break. But I do want to let you know, when you turn Ava off, your lead will not be notified, but when you turn Ava back on, your lead will be notified to let them know that they're no longer in a live chat with you and they're now engaged with Ava once again. So have some fun with this. I would encourage you to become an Ava Plus member, because as an Ava Plus member, you're going to have access to done-for-you templates. You can create auto-reply templates for yourself, and you'll have access to ours written by yours truly, and I've written millions of dollars worth of copy online. So not only that, I've been doing this for like the last almost year, and I've become an expert in how to communicate with people via text messaging. So you'll have access to that as an Ava Plus member. So you're going to want to make sure that you upgrade to Ava Plus right away. Now, one thing I do want to make sure you know is that as you type messages in here and send them to your leads, you'll see a purple chat bubble pop up here, and that will indicate that that is a message sent by you. Blue message will indicate that that's a message sent by Ava or the system, and a darker blue message will indicate that that is a message sent by the user. All right, let's navigate to the reseller section now and click on commission history. This will show you a history of all of your earned commissions. It'll show you a photo of the member that paid you, the amount they paid, who it's received from, and when you received it. If you head on over to My Team, this will show you a list of all of the people who have created an account with you as their inviter. So these are all the people you referred. They've created an account, and they've either paid or not paid. So you'll see whether they're active or not active. You'll get their mobile number, their email address, and it'll even show you how many signups they have. So you can see who on your team is actively promoting the business and who you can obviously count on receiving that second sale from. So one effective way to use this information is to constantly be checking to see who has how many signups. So for example, if this guy were to be active and he had one sign up, then I'd know that his next sale would be coming to me. So I'd be doing everything I can to make sure that this guy got his next sale. And that you want to do that with everybody, not just because you're going to get their second sale, but because it's important for your team members to win. It's important for people to win, not just because you win. It's just important. It's important for people to win. So reach out to them and help them win, not only because you win, but because it's the right thing to do. Heading on over to my links section, this is where you're going to create your tracking links. This is very, very simple. So let's say, for example, you want to put your link up on Facebook, but you also want to send your link to your email list, for example. No problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new tracking link. We're going to name this Facebook, and we're going to click Add Marketing Method. And that's it. So the system's going to give us a link that we're going to use. This is the link we're going to use. We can even click or press on copy to clipboard, and it will do that for us. Resources, we are constantly expanding this, but right now you've email swipe copy. This is written for you. All you have to do is press on this copy body text to clipboard. It'll copy that to the clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere you want. I've also got another one here that's a little bit more about Ava and the product. Then we have our social media ads and posts. So right now there's just this one, but we're adding to this as we speak, and this will be expanded out very, very soon. There'll be more resources coming, such as banners and videos and all kinds of stuff that you'll be able to use to get the word out about TextBot and to collect as many $100 payments from Ava as you possibly can. And if along the way you need some help, let me draw your attention to our live help icon down here in the right-hand corner. You can just press on that. My team is there. We're not there 24/7. Come on, we got lives too, but we will be there to assist you. And please just be patient. Allow up to 24 hours for a response in some moments. You know, it can be up to 48 to 72 hours as of right now because we're crazy slammed for this launch. So thank you for your patience. We will get to you as soon as we possibly can. You will not have to wait usually more than a day or two for a response. But we're really working on responding to people as quickly as possible within a few hours. So thanks again. Please be patient. Enjoy yourself. Go make $100. And the most important thing here, when you get paid a $100 payment from Ava, go to our Facebook group and text in the group a screenshot of the actual payment, not a screenshot of the system letting you know you have payment on the way, because that's easy to fake. What we want are actual screenshots of the payment themselves, because you can't fake that, right? Then we're going to compile a list of all those, and we're going to put a page together that shows people all these screenshots, and we're going to allow all our resellers to use that page in their marketing, in their advertising, and we'll use it in our follow-up as well. So it'll be a powerful marketing tool, not just for you, but for all of our resellers and for the company as a whole. So don't be shy. Let everyone know when the system works for you. Let me know when the system works for you. I love to know when my hard work pays off for you. So please post it here in the chat, post it in the group, post it on Facebook. Let everybody know when this works for you so that they can know it can work for them too, and it can be a blessing for them as well in their life. Thanks a lot. Welcome to TextBot.